Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So you can see on the screen, I have the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, this is the weekly chart. Yes, I prefer weekly chart and 4 hours time frame because 4 hours time frame is my personal favorite and one of the most beloved time frame, and I do consult the weekly chart because I believe in multi time frame analysis to get a better picture. So this is the weekly chart, and we can see that on the weekly chart market formed a green candle previous week, and this week market has formed a red candle. So there is selling pressure present in the market this week. Okay, and we can see that on the weekly chart market is taking support at the 50 moving average, which is a good sign. Okay, and overall we can see, and overall if I zoom out the chart, we can see that there is a resistance at this level on the weekly chart at 1.2366, and right now market is trading at 1.2091. So the resistance which is present on the weekly chart is far away from our present position. Okay, now let's switch to the beloved 4 hours time frame and my personal favorite too. So this is the 4 hours time frame, and you can see that in the 4 hour time frame the trend, overall trend on the market is towards the upside. So market is in uptrend. Then considering this overall trend, okay, what we should do, if we consider this trend, then we should go for buying opportunity. Okay, and if we look at the, and we have already looked at the weekly time frame, and we saw that market is having some selling pressure. So if we look for buying opportunity, then we must be very careful right now. Right now you can see that market is trading at the 50 moving average, okay, which is a very good sign. And we can see that, okay, previously market, more or less market was taking support at the 50 moving average here, but there was some huge selling pressure at this point of time, so market broke the support. But again market went up, took some support, and went up again. And right now after this red candle, market took support at the 50 moving average. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Understanding the market psychology is extremely important. So what do we have here? Okay, overall the trend is up. Okay, trend is towards the upside. It is taking at support at the 50 moving average. Okay, support 50 moving average, so which is a very good sign. And we can see that if you look at the stochastic RSI, we can see that market is in oversold zone, and almost market is ready to go up. So considering all these factors, okay, I'll say that you can take a small risk right now. Okay, you can take a small risk, and your stop loss will be here. Okay, you can just go for a buy order here right now, and your stop loss will be here. Your trade may go wrong, but overall this kind of trade setups will always give you money in the long run. See, we all know it very well that traders like you and me, we do not decide the trend of the market. Still we follow some setups, we follow some discipline in the market, as a result which helps us to make money. So what I have told you right now, okay, considering all these factors, okay, you can go for a buy order right now because things are quite positive. Okay, so in case it goes against us also and we lose money also, still this kind of trade setups will always give you money in the long run. Okay, so you can go for a buy order right now, but do remember that you must follow risk management. Okay, if you have got $1,000 in your trading account, then risk only $10 to $20 only. If you do not know how to follow risk management, then you should stop trading and learn risk management first, because your trades may go wrong, but risk management is the only thing that helps a trader to stay afloat on the market for years and years. If you do not know risk management, one day or the other, market will screw you up and throw you out of the market. So learn risk management, it is very important. Okay, so anyways, let's get back to the chart. If you want to take a trade here, yes, you can go ahead and take a trade. Your stop loss will be here. Okay, and right now the current market price is 1.2091. okay, this can be a small stop loss. The ideal place to put the stop loss will be here, but this is too far away. Okay, you do not need to put your stop loss here. Put your stop loss somewhere around it. If it goes wrong also, if the trade goes against you also, then also you won't be losing much. On the other hand, if it goes up, then you will be making this much money. So risk to reward ratio is 1:3, which is a very good trade. Okay, and on the other hand, if you are looking for a very safe entry, if you think that I cannot afford to lose any money, you are not in a position to lose a single trade, then the best position will be wait for the market to cross this level, 1.2177. Wait for the market to cross this level. Once market crosses this level, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. Just try to see how the market is doing. If you see that yes, market is trading comfortably after 3 to 4 hours, market is not struggling, the resistance has become the support, then you can go for a buy order just above this line or this resistance at 1.2177. okay, otherwise you can go for a buy order right here also. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.